Hey everyone, welcome. Have you ever heard of a German MEP in the EU called Christine Anderson? You may have heard of her before. She's the one that said that von der Leyen was corrupt in a speech, and that the whole establishment was corrupt in a speech, and had her mic cut off to silence her.
Schlimm genug, dass die Kommissionspräsidentin korrupt ist. Ein Parlament aber, das diese Korruption deckt, ist es ebenso und beraubt.
No more. Now, I put the request to the vote by roll call. Vote is open.
So the poor woman was left moving her mouth with no volume. Well, maybe they shouldn't have done that, because she's come out and come forward with an absolute pearler. This time she said to von der Leyen's face, in person, that she's corrupt to the core. Don't worry, I will put the video in. She also said about her, this was a good one as well, that she's effectively a wrecking ball that's destroyed everything, and I mean everything, that's made Europeans strong. And it's hard to deny it, isn't it, really? Let's have a listen to what she says, everyone.
Donald Trump stellt sein neues Kabinett vor. Hochkompetente Patrioten, entschlossen to make America great again, entschlossen wieder Politik für das Volk zu machen. Und was kriegen wir? Sie, Frau von der Leyen, herzlichen Dank. Die Abrissbirne, die gnadenlos alles niederreißt, was die europäischen Völker stark gemacht hat. Ich möchte ein Europa, das stark, souverän und erfolgreich ist. Ein Europa des Erfolgs, ein Europa der Freiheit, der Demokratie und der Rechtsstaatlichkeit. Mit Ihnen werden wir all das nicht bekommen. Frau von der Leyen, Sie alleine wären ja schon schlimm genug. Aber die angehenden Kommissare, die Sie um sich versammelt haben, ist die reinste Trümmertruppe, was Sachen Freiheit und Demokratie und Rechtsstaatlichkeit angeht. Legen Sie, Frau von der Leyen, doch erstmal Rechenschaft über Ihre unsäglichen mRNA-Impfstofflieferverträge ab. Ansonsten können Sie sich Ihren Vorschlag, dauerlicherweise darf ich Sie nicht korrupt nennen, sonst stellt man mir hier wieder das Mikrofon ab. Aber sei es drum. Frau von der Leyen, Sie sind korrupt bis in die letzte Faser Ihres Daseins.
So there we go, pretty straightforward, isn't it? Anyone disagree with that? Meanwhile, we've got Carol Vorderman making up lies, saying that 54% of Brexit voters would be okay with free movement of people. Yes, she said that. Yes, she said that. Here's the tweet. So long as we get back in the single market. Now, I'm not being funny, but I've never met a Brexit voter that wanted either of those things, let alone one for the other. What an absolute... She's supposed to be a numbers person, everyone, don't forget that. Remember, countdown. Carol Vorderman, what a loop-de-loop she's turned into. Isn't it? So what do you think then? That was a pretty brutal speech, but correct all the way, wasn't it? The EU destroys everything it touches. I mean, once it became from a single market where everyone was free trading about, it went to, you can only trade with us if you got regulations, then you can only do what you want to do if you listen to what we say. Complete dictatorship, all of it bureaucratic, none of it voted for or vetoed against. So well played to Christine. I think that was bloody brilliant, don't you? Let me know what you think though, I'd like to know your opinion. Stay sane, everyone. I thought I could bring it out on the bike today. You can wait in the queues with me. These bloody lights are terrible. Ooh, another all-going car. Looks like a Loose snot. I'll see you on the next one.
And I do believe that we have rotten politics, and I'm not using that as an exaggeration.